Between school schedules, work commitments, extracurricular activities, and everyday responsibilities, busy Rockford families don't have time for constant home maintenance. When it comes to upgrading windows, practicality matters just as much as style and performance. That's where modern casement windows stand out. Casement windows, hinged on the side and opening outward with a simple crank mechanism, are known for their energy efficiency and clean appearance. But for families juggling full calendars, their low-maintenance features make them an especially smart choice. Durable frame materials built to last. One of the biggest maintenance concerns for homeowners is frame deterioration. Traditional wood frames may require regular painting or sealing, especially in Rockford's cold winters and humid summers. Modern casement windows are commonly available in low-maintenance materials like vinyl and fiberglass. These materials resist warping and cracking, withstand temperature changes, don't require painting or staining, resist moisture damage. Vinyl frames, in particular, are highly resistant to peeling and fading. For busy families, that means fewer weekend projects and more time spent enjoying your home. Easy to clean design. Keeping windows clean can feel like a chore, especially in two-story homes. Casement windows simplify the process. Because they open outward, both sides of the glass are often easier to access from inside the home. Some models also feature hinge designs that allow safe cleaning without ladders. Less hassle during cleaning means safer and quicker upkeep, a major benefit for households with children and packed schedules. Fewer moving parts, less maintenance. Casement windows operate with a straightforward crank system rather than sliding tracks or multiple sashes. This streamlined design reduces the number of components that can wear out over time. High-quality casement windows include corrosion-resistant hardware, reinforced hinges, smooth operating crank mechanisms with fewer complicated parts. There's less to repair or adjust. In Rockford's seasonal climate, this durability ensures consistent performance year after year. Strong seals that reduce drafts. Drafty windows can increase energy bills and make your home less comfortable. Casement windows are designed to close tightly, pressing the sash firmly against the frame. This compression-style seal helps prevent air leakage, keeping warm air inside during Rockford's winters and cool air inside during the summer months. The tight seal also helps block dust and outdoor debris from entering your home, reducing cleaning time indoors as well. Low-maintenance glass options. Modern casement windows often include energy-efficient glass with protective coatings. Low emissivity coatings help reduce heat transfer and block harmful UV rays. These coatings not only improve comfort but also protect furniture, flooring, and curtains from fading, reducing the need for costly replacements. Some glass options also feature easy clean treatments that minimize water spots and dirt buildup, making maintenance even simpler. Built for Rockford's changing weather. Rockford's seasonal shifts can be demanding on home materials. Snow, ice, rain, and summer humidity require windows that can handle constant exposure. Vinyl and fiberglass casement windows resist moisture infiltration and temperature-related expansion or contraction. This durability minimizes the need for frequent adjustments or repairs. For families who want long-term reliability, these weather-resistant features offer peace of mind. Energy efficiency that saves time and money. Low-maintenance windows also help reduce energy-related headaches. Insulated glass and airtight seals improve thermal performance, which may lead to lower heating and cooling costs. When your windows perform efficiently, you spend less time worrying about fluctuating energy bills and more time focusing on family life. A practical choice for busy Rockford households. Casement windows combine simplicity, durability, and performance in one design. Their low-maintenance materials, easy cleaning features, and strong sealing systems make them ideal for busy Rockford families who value both comfort and convenience. If you're looking for a window upgrade that fits your lifestyle without adding extra chores, modern casement windows offer a reliable and time-saving solution, built to perform through every season.